Hi, good afternoon. I'm introducing the kitty teasing Angelic animated beacon tree topper. It's an Arduino controlled tree topper ornament. It's made with a 3D printed angel that got off Thingiverse that really I thought was a pretty cool looking device. Not only that, very detailed, but it's kind of a little bit creepy too. It's very strong, powerful, and so I thought it was a great thing. And so here we have a sun catcher crystal that's going to serve as our beacon. So I think to get started, I was just going to take a photo and a video of it operating under low light conditions. It's powered by a 5-volt wall wart, Arduino controlled. It's just from the front where you see the crystal. We get some clouds on the bottom. It's mounted on a base, a tree topper base, so that it can be put on a tree top or just set in the pedestal if you like to use it as a standalone ornament. So we're going to get started. I'm going to plug in the power supply. And it's going to start its routine. I'm going to dim the lights. And here's the show. And we can see it all around here, bouncing around. There are lasers all over the place, reflected internally and everything from it, and that's to tease the kitties and keep them distracted so they don't hit the tree topper. It goes through a routine where it selects one color and lights each one, and then it does a marquee presentation, and then it does a rainbow. And it's pretty cool. It kind of looks like a disco. The whole thing kind of changes color based on the color of the Neopixels. This is hard to see up on the top. Is swamping out the camera. You see Neopixels on the bottom of the crystal, and those are providing the reflected illumination. And the flashes we see are the lasers. There are 10 lasers. And depending on what cycle they are, then what routine it's running, they change how they fire. It has a random number generator in parts of it to keep the timing a little bit irregular. We're coming through the final routine, through the rainbow routine. The rainbow routine kind of runs the longest because it's the most interesting. The lasers in the back, we can kind of see them there. It looks kind of Miskatonic-ish. The lasers are mounted on green painted pipe cleaners, so they can be bent and re-aimed at any given time. And that's the end of the cycle, and it's going to start all over again. There is a brief laser diode test in between, just to make sure the laser diodes are working. And then we'll take a couple more of these. This is the more impressive one, is with the lights out and the lasers flashing all over the place. And luckily the cats aren't here. because these lasers are, the intent was the lasers were to catch attention, and they have done it before. They have chased the lasers.